In this video, we'll show you how to create bulk discounts that reward customers for buying more. First, go to Products and open the product where you want to add a bulk discount. Scroll down to the Pricing section and click Add Discount. Then choose Bulk Rate. This opens a dialog where you can set discounts based on how many items the customer buys. For this example, we'll select Add Multiple Discounts so we can create more than one discount level. First, we'll add the initial purchase level. Type 5 in the Amount field and 10 in the Discount field. This means buying at least 5 items gives a 10% discount. Next, we'll add a second level. Type 10 in the Amount field and 20 in the Discount field. Now customers get a bigger discount when they buy more. When the discounts are ready, click the X button to close the dialog. You can now see the bulk discounts listed in the Pricing section. If everything looks good, scroll to the top and click Save. Once the product is saved, click View Product Page to open it in the online store. On the product page, you can see the bulk discount levels we just added. This lets customers clearly see how much they save when buying more.